Hello, friend. It's afternoon time here. I have just come back from school. I have had my lunch and actually got cough, super bad cough. So I'm just using this medicine nowadays. It's giving me little bit relief, but not that much. Whenever I cough, so I just feel intense stomach pain. I just don't know what's the reason. Mm, I have this cough problem since last 10 years actually. You won't believe, but it has been 10 years since I'm just facing this problem. Don't know this is common problem or there is some bad reason or some serious reason that got the curve. Now we'll go back side, then we'll just go to coaching again. So we will just meet again in evening.